Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Superlinks. Now, in this video, we're going to show you how to use a Binoviewer on telescope, plus using microscope eyepieces. Now, this Binoviewer has shafts, okay, has inserts of diameter size 1.25 inch shaft, okay, so like the insert size, as I said. And first we have to install it over here. Then I have those small 23mm eyepieces. There is an adapter we're going to show you. I have two of them. We're going to install it on the Binoviewer, okay, and the Binoviewer will be inserted here on the telescope okay, here the telescope. This here will be a 1.25 inch insert, okay, or a shaft. So let's first remove the Binoviewer from the box, okay. So this is the Binoviewer in its bag. Just give me some time in order to also we need to install, we need to install those Barlows, okay, Barlow lenses, okay. And the microscope eyepiece that I'm going to use, it's not something that you should be sticking to the size of the microscope eyepiece, but you try. I have now the 10x, okay, 10x eyepiece, okay, and yeah, I'm gonna show you my experience in it, because let me tell you something, I cannot record the view like when you are using both eyes in order to get a wider field of view, because that's why we use binoculars, okay, the stereo system. And yeah, so you just have to hear me. This will be my own experience. Might be somebody's experience will be a little bit different because the span between the eyes, like it would be different. Probably it will be different. Okay. Okay. So remove the cover over here. Because here too. Okay. Now, what we will have to do is use those adapters, such adapters. Let's see. Okay, let me increase the zoom. So we have to use those adapters. Let's show you the sizes. It's written on now. Okay, it's written on it 23.2 dash 1.25 inch. Okay, and there is a letter phi to the side here. Okay. Greek letter phi, okay, which means the diameter. So we insert this over here, but you have to understand that of course we fasten and hold it this way, okay. I'll have to install another one over here. I do have it. See, it doesn't fall, but with the but this, I mean, the adapter here doesn't have anything to screw it or something like that, so you'll have to beware while using it, or maybe at least put something here in order to like make it firmly attached to it, okay. And of course you put the other here. I put the eyepiece here. This is an eyepiece, and okay. And of course, yeah, this is now, listen, now just, okay, of course, remember, they will fall, so I don't want to let them fall, so, see, they will fall, okay, so, beware, okay. those are simply like used by different those adapters for other telescopes or other microscopes. Sorry, for microscopes. But because of microscopes, they just look like this way, like, and the eyepieces will just fall naturally. So they don't need any kind of screwing at times, because in a telescope you will be moving the telescope like this, also maybe to the bottom, but of course not. Okay, generally not, but that's it. Okay, so we have to be careful. Now, of course, we'll have to install here, instead of this aluminum pipe, barrel lens. Okay. A barrel lens will be a multiplier for the focal length. Okay, so of the objective lens, or the objective mirror here, because here I have a mirror system. It's a Newtonian telescope. It's a mirror system reflector. Okay, with L. Okay. So first I'm trying to just put things back in a steady way. Don't lose your caps. The caps are important too, to like keep away the dust. Okay. Now we install this. This is which one? This is the 3 times. Okay, this will make the telescope so strong. But I do have another one. Okay, I randomly selected between the 2 barrels. Okay, see, the other one is like 1.8 times. Okay, so you're going to just use it like this, and we will have to fasten it. Okay. And then I have to use it normally. Okay, so let's zoom in so you can see it. You'll see me how I'm using it. Hopefully the eyepieces don't fall. Okay. So I'm going to give you my experience in it. Okay, in using them. I was about to have some eyepiece. Okay. Yeah. Okay. First of all, you have to raise your eyes, because those are small eyepieces. This is very important. So first you have to raise your eyes. Okay. Now I will move the telescope to the bottom a little bit, or something that's understandable, comprehensible. And I must change the focus, because I've added a multiplier, a barrel lens. Now, of course, what I'm experiencing now is that the field of view, of course, is confined to the size of the microscope eyepiece. Okay, it will be smaller, because the eyepieces are smaller. Okay, less than 1.25 inch. So you won't be seeing lots. You'll be seeing mostly like what you're going to see on your microscope. Okay. I do have trouble like in matching the both eyepieces because one of them has a ruler like inside it, so matching them is a little bit hard. Okay, there's those dials I have to dial like this, okay, in order to make the views like be joined, okay, and duplicated and sitting over each other, okay, override each other. Yeah, it's just fine. That's all. Okay. Yeah, cool. With this 10x, I don't know. Maybe the focal length here is very small. Okay. Not very small. Very large. Sorry, very large focal length. Okay. So that's why I'm having with the 10x like it's not really focusing very well. Although I have 3 times Barlow, I will have to use a 5 times Barlow in order to make the 10x work. Okay. 3 is working, but still like a little bit faint. Okay. But I can see, anyway, I can see. And I understand that I'm testing on terrestrial objects, okay, not in the sky. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video, okay, and thanks for watching. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, and goodbye. Okay, and like the video, sorry.